Hey guys, what is going on? Welcome to another tutorial video, and in this video what I'll be explaining to you guys is how you can use Mod Organizer 2 to run and update Loot. So let's get right into it. First of all, Loot is a standalone mod which helps you with organizing your load order for mods, so you don't actually need to install it through Mod Organizer. However, you do need to use it through Mod Organizer, and you do that by actually editing, or rather adding the exe file to your instance. This will probably be done automatically if I remember correctly. However, if it doesn't happen, go to edit, click on add from file through the plus, and just locate your Loot installation, click on Loot exe and open, and it should be added. And then by running it, you will run the actual Loot executable and use it however it is meant to be used. As I've said, make sure it is through Mod Organizer. This is the only way it will work. And the way you actually update this mod is you can remove the Loot executable from your game just by clicking the minus button. However, you might not need to do that. What you want to do is just simply go to the Loot file where you installed Loot and just delete it completely. It should not leave any data behind. And once you do, just download another instance of Loot or a newer version, install it, and everything should work just fine. As I've said, it should appear here automatically. If it doesn't, just go to edit and add it by yourself, run it through this. And if you run it, make sure that when you run it, just click unlock and run your game like normal, and that should be it. I hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you in another video.